In this video, we're going to start talking about the human genome and some of the new technologies that have emerged since the completion of the Human Genome Project. Okay. So, when we're talking about the genome, what we're referring to is the entirety of all the hereditary information that's encoded for by our DNA. Okay. Remember, the DNA molecule is made up of not just the genes, which code for particular proteins, but also sequences that don't code for anything at all. In fact, the non coding regions by far outnumber our coding regions. So, the aim of the Human Genome Project was to identify all of those different genes, know where they were located on the chromosomes and what proteins they coded for, as well as the sequence of not just the genes but the entirety of the DNA molecule. Okay. So once that was completed, lots of new technologies and branches of science have emerged. So we've now got sophisticated computer programs that we can use to identify different sequences by comparing it back to that composite human genome. So one of these new areas are bioinformatics, which is where we use computer data to compare two sequences. So that's very useful in terms of medical research or comparing how related species are in the case of systematics. So, in terms of questions, it usually is around these new technologies. So, let's try this one here. The following list gives descriptions of three areas of study which use genomic sequencing. X is the study of evolutionary relatedness. Y, the study of comparative gene sequences using computers and statistics. And Z, the study of genomes related to personalised medicine. Okay. So, which line in the table below correctly matches the name of the areas of study with those descriptions? Pause the video, hit play when you're ready to reveal the answer. So the answer is A. So Y, the study of comparative gene sequences using computer statistics. That's what we mean by bioinformatics. Okay. Z, the study of genomes related to personalised medicine. That would be pharmacogenetics, which is the discussion of another video. And X, the study of evolution relatedness. That's systematics, using those computer programs to compare the genetic sequences to establish how related different species are to each other. Hopefully, a fairly straightforward example of how this works. But any questions you have, always feel free to leave in the comments.